Okay, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another one of my tech videos. Today I'm going to look at Windows 10 since it just came out. So after running a few updates on the preview edition, let's see what we have now. Now the preview edition has been updated to the full version. So let's let this thing boot up. And speaking of booting up, one word advice I'm going to give people: if you're trying to install this within VirtualBox, you may see something that I like to refer to as the white screen of death once you finish the installation. And basically it's going to be the screen that asks you to input a Windows key, and it kind of goes over and over and over again. It's repeating and repeating and repeating itself. So it's like, hey, input your Windows activation key, white screen. Hours later, after you hit OK, goes a little swirly motion again on a white screen. Input Windows key, white screen. Input Windows code, white key, input Windows activation key, white screen. Input Windows activation key, white screen. So to stop this, you actually have to go in here on the machine and actually power down the machine manually from here, and then restart it. Once you restart it, then you actually will be able to go to your desktop and you'll see a normal Windows activation screen pop up right afterwards. And fortunately, I already did all this stuff before going on camera because, yeah, this is real smooth what you're seeing right now, but that process took me all day yesterday, which is why you're just now seeing this video being posted and actually being worked on Sunday as opposed to Saturday. So as you can see, it's just like any other Windows screen, like Windows 8. Once you boot your machine, you will then type in your Microsoft password. And that's where it should be constant from your Windows account. So basically saying username and password for your Windows 8 machine will actually transfer to this machine as well. And actually not thinking, I actually created a new account on this machine that's specifically separate from my Windows 8 machine. So once this thing actually finishes loading, I'm going to have to log out and log back in. So give this a minute. Let it go through all that. So everything was like, dope! Forgot to do it, so. That's not what I want. Oh, here we go. Actually, click on user profile. Yep, let me sign out real quick. First, once you did it initially, it doesn't take that long. So now we have my actual Microsoft account. So I'll log in with this, hit OK, and it should keep pretty much having my same profile I have on my Windows 8 machine. And since I'm actually using this machine with this my actual real account, you'll now go to the setup screen. So it's probably a good thing I did kind of screw up and put in a new account without thinking about it. So now you actually get this full experience of setting up a fresh Windows 10 machine minus the whole irritating portion of having to type in your activation key or product key, which was an all-day process thanks to a certain bug in the system. But hey, I digress, it is what it is. So right now it's actually downloading the apps I installed on my Windows 8 machine from the Windows 8 App Store and now putting on this Windows 10 virtual machine, if that makes any sense. Yeah, you can share this is going to probably take a while. Please forgive me if you see something, like you see a whole bunch of jump cuts at this point. Because it's highly possible I will be doing some jump cuts, so you guys will be bored to death just waiting for this thing to load up. Guys, it's the Zero Ultra, so I am marking my macros for anyone asks. Okay. And first, I just installed updates for Camtasia Studio. This thing won't lock up on me. I'll have faith this thing works as long as I don't try to pause the video while working on this. Okay. Without further ado, I'm actually in my OneSend machine now. So let's go to all apps and see what we got. Yeah, probably better if I actually had patience with it and actually finish loading up the screen first. And I know there's an Xbox app, so what I'll do, I'll actually get up and run to my Xbox, turn it on, and come back to the screen. And there's the new Windows login sound. And yes, that's my Xbox you just heard in the background being turned on. And of course, you know, I had to turn the Xbox on so you get the full Windows 10 experience. So all this saying loads, let me hit the start menu. And that's one big thing I'll tell you guys, you'll notice. The start menu is back. And laugh out loud, speaking about Xbox, there's something here called Project Spartan, which is actually a new browser, which later on becomes Cortana. And let's say we want to look up, I don't know, Super Tux. Yeah, we're talking about Microsoft, Windows, and Xbox. Yeah, I had to bring up Super Tux, which is the exact opposite what you expect anything that's Xbox related. Okay, it didn't want to work. So, Frozen Bubbles, I did get it did work on a hacked Xbox, original Xbox on the Xbox One. Sorry, it's called Microsoft Edge. Is what we have here, baby. Okay, Edge. Ooh, take a tour of Microsoft Edge. So you can see it's a new browser that has a few new features here. You can do your favorites, like some new editing tool, and some instant message stuff in there as well. So everything looks like something up and up. Yep, make a notation to a web page. Highlight stuff, and of course, give them feedback. Look at other options. There's your zoom, and your developer tools you have from Internet Explorer. Internet Explorer, nope, do not want Internet Exploiter. Laughing my butt off. All right, so we have Edge. It looks pretty much like your standard web browser, like Chrome or Firefox. So yeah, they made a few improvements to Windows Internet Explorer, which will probably be going bye-bye soon. So back to start menu and. Oh, Xbox. Let's see. This thing actually syncs with my Xbox One account. Now it's actually turned on. Uh-oh. Speaking of Xbox, I noticed that Metal Gear Solid 5 Ground Zeroes is actually free right now for Xbox members. Just a quick FYI, so once I'm done with this video, I may be downloading this product tonight before going to sleep. And did the Xbox app just crash on me? Sign in. It's the same. Okay, Microsoft. WTF. It should be automatically be this. It should remember this from our login in the system. It's the same username, same password, same account. Why do I need to re-enter it? That makes no sense. You know, shouldn't be surprised considering that maybe we do the same thing with Visual Studio, but still, that doesn't make any sense. Visual Studio at least is somewhat of a corporate application used for business purposes. I understand that, but for gaming, come on. Alright, yeah, we understand. So basically, this is actually mirroring what's actually on my Xbox right now. So all my activity feed is actually comes up here as well. So this looks very much like my Spartan glass application that I have. So, thinking of which, it should actually have, let's see. Sweet, I can actually stream games from my Xbox. So I'll hit connect, see how this does it. See, so kind of scroll down. Game DVR. Of course, all my footage still shows up here, so that will let me play through some footage. Turns out I have to download instead of just streaming it. Oh. Not bad for VM, considering that this is not. This is actually off of VM, guys. So I'm actually this smooth, and I actually love the updates to the graphics for Killer Instinct, as you can see here. Much better than my N64 game, Super Nintendo, and definitely better than the Game Boy. So it actually will let you watch your video DVRs here. It's kind of cool. Let me click off of there before I get flagged by Microsoft. Like, you can't show our content, even though it's within a minimized window. Because, you know, copyright notices. And now we'll check out the Xbox store in here. Laughing my butt up. Yep, that's Microsoft for you. Okay, the thing crashed, opened, had to update, and okay, it doesn't want to work. Yeah, it's still in beta, probably, so won't worry about that. Let's see, trophies. So some stuff, the most recent ones that I have. Yes, stuff a lot. Yes, they even give you some weird trophies from YouTube. So of course, Killer Instinct, Spartan, and Mortal Kombat X. Yes, I did buy that. Let's kind of cool. Game DVR works. Let's see how I'm try to connect this time. Nope, nothing. Alright, so that's still kind of in the works. Freshen it, yeah, still won't give me a clear connection. Probably because this is actually in a VM and not a real desktop, but kind of gives you an idea of what that looks like. So that's kind of a cool new feature. So you should be able to soon be able to stream content from your Xbox to your PC, which actually makes Let's Plays a lot easier. So that may be something to look forward to when I get a new PC next year. So let's see if they change Paint up. Okay, Paint's the same as always. So of course, big improvement. This over Metro. I mean, definitely improvement. Okay, go to all apps. See if I actually remembered all my stuff on here, because I know I had Halo. Where's Halo? Okay, I forgot to install Halo from my other machine. WTF. Like anything else in Windows, it seems to open up fast when you close and reopen it. Game DVR. Oops. Let's see. We want to connect to Xbox One. Let's see if this works now. Oh, not enough bandwidth. Once again, this is on the VM, so kind of cool seeing that thing did load up a little bit faster that time. But let's go back to all apps. See, there's anything cool and new on here. And I also like how it's actually organized and alphabetized like they did in Windows. Sorry, the previous version was on Windows 8, so yes, they did fix that. Some cool new features in here. OneNote actually comes with the same free. We already looked at part of the Spartan. So yeah, it's a nice little feature here. OneDrive, of course, lets you pretty much go to your cloud storage from all different machines. So if I go to OneDrive, I should be able to access files I put in there from my Windows 8 machine. Let's go into public. Nothing there. Guys, I put all my stuff out there. And boom, some of my documents from Windows 8 show up there. They'll put pictures in here. Nope. Pretty much only shared a few documents. So one thing I want to see is, okay, we already know photo application same as before. Yeah, I know I passed the Certified Hacker exam. Oops, didn't want that to open up. Yeah, PDFs open. Quick notes I made for PenguinCon. Hey, Word documents open in WordPad. Laughing my butt out. I said that was going to open. Let's see. ODP documents open. Ah. Nope, not supported. Hit OK. Let's see. I was just not going to work open. So yeah. And like anything else, let's see if they give you anything generic that comes with it. Nope. So hey, you know, we'll just give you some freebies real quick. Back to this PC. No free music. Come on now. One thing that's kind of cool is this new interface. They changed this up, so now this actually is a bit prettier for your downloads, desktop, documents, music, and videos. Game DVR, sweet. It remembers this like going to your Xbox. You can download videos from your Xbox to your DVR folder, which is kind of sweet. Now hopefully Microsoft can fix a little audio bug when you record stuff on your Xbox. That would be really nice and actually a lot better. So let's go through this again. Let's see. Games. And laughing out loud, it looks very familiar. So it seems to be some variation of the Xbox store. It's kind of cool. A little cleaner than I have on my system. Sorry, this is the Windows game store. Halo Spartan Assault. Demo should download automatically on there, even though I have the full version via Steam, so it probably give me the finger because of that. Like, you download this game on Steam and not Xbox, therefore I won't transfer it. Whatever. But yeah, man. Xbox for Windows. Now keep in mind, if you can actually stream the and there's also a rumor that you may actually be able to stream your Windows games to your Xbox in the near future. If they make this feature available, considering that another competing console basically has pretty much 1 or 2 exclusives that they actually produce themselves, but everything else is pretty much a copy and paste off of Steam. If you can stream Steam games to your Xbox, then there'll probably be no purpose in buying this competitor's, well, console. I'm not going to name any names because I already know people are going to get really hurt and offended in the comments. They're like, how dare you talk about that system? But it's the truth. I'm sorry. You call the same company out for their portable for not having any decent games. I had to call out the actual console itself that you put inside your house that cost you $500 with only 2 or 3 games that aren't on PC. Just saying. Alright. But yeah, pretty much your generic game, pretty much your generic tablet type games and a few AAA titles in here, so decent. But then that kind of caught my eye was sticky notes. Let's see what this is. Okay, little sticky note feature that was actually I noticed on iPhone as well as OS 10. Yosemite, laughing my butt out. So Microsoft stole stuff from Apple. Big whoop. Why should we be surprised? It's like a new version of Media Player. No, it's a store. Task Viewer. Let's see what this does. Okay. Kind of does some multiple desktop like you saw on Linux for like the last 10 years. It's kind of cool. And I think that's about it. See if I missed anything. Nope. This pretty much looks standard. And then of course now they put like I said, they pretty much got rid of the goofy Metro interface with this. See what the tablet looks like. I mean, the counter looks like. Let this load up. And it should basically be your standard counter app that you've seen on your phone or your tablet. So I got a feeling it's going to look very much. Yep, that's what I want. Yep. Standard counter, and the nice part is they actually got to look more like Outlook, so you can make it a lot easier to plan events and meetings. So that's a cool feature that they're throwing there for free. So I gotta appreciate them for adding that. Always have to have, nice usable features. And of course your news articles here. And let's see how I go to Install Hub. They'll probably tell me like, hey, you cheapskate. The full version is out. Update your license. I know, but I'll do that later on when I buy a new PC. Alright guys, I don't want this video too much longer, and I think it's long enough, so without further ado, this is my quick little walkthrough showing you guys all the new features and everything that's been added and changed with the latest version of Windows 10. Until next time everybody, peace out.